Did you know a wealthy young ruler once knelt before a poor carpenter and walked away heartbroken? This powerful man had everything money could buy, yet he publicly humbled himself before Jesus to ask about eternal life. With complete confidence, he declared he had kept every commandment since childhood. He expected praise for his righteousness. Jesus looked at him with deep love, seeing his sincere heart. Then came the devastating requirement: sell everything you own and give it to the poor. The young man's face transformed instantly from a hope to crushing grief. The cost was too high. His wealth meant more than eternal treasure. He turned and walked away slowly, unable to pay the price of true discipleship. The disciples watched in shock as Jesus explained how hard it is for the rich to enter God's kingdom, easier for a camel to pass through a needle's eye. This story challenges us all. What are we unwilling to surrender for authentic spiritual growth? Sometimes our greatest comfort becomes our biggest barrier to purpose.